message is important for each one of us. To the sick at this time, perhaps some of you are hospitalized. Remember that Christ is the great physician. His presence brings healing, brings comfort and strength when life feels fragile. To those in prison, the Christ that we celebrate was born in Bethlehem, and he reaches even the darkest places. He brings hope, redemption, and promise of new beginnings, even to you who are in prison. To the bereaved and those facing loss, Emmanuel, God with us, surrounds you with peace. Your sorrow is seen, and your hope is in secure hands. To our fishing communities in Lake Kyoga, and to our farmers across the diocese, to the traders and to the workers, God honors you, especially your daily toil. It is special to him. And so this God, in his Son, Jesus Christ, will continue to bless the labor of your hands and will continue to protect your work. To our youth, you are the future. Christ calls you to live in integrity, reject violence, and be agents of peace and transformation